nyuma yo gutohoza umuti Baritazari yakoresheje kugira ngo yubake inyubahiro ye, ntawo bazaniye. Wowe mugabo rero ushaka gushimisha umugore we, nakugira inama yo kugura uyu muti. Haba mu gutinda mu gikorwa, uyu muti urabisoza. Icyo wihariye rero, si umuti uzakoresha buri gihe, uwo muti ukoresha rimwe ukagukiza ubuzima bwawe bwose.
Aya basi, the Asylum presents filime yiswe nde mukanure cyane Bahise Flight 666 radiyo gatandatu eshatu Illuminata. Ko filime tuyitangiye mwari mumaze ijya mubwira ngo Sankara gohora rwose mwicare mu ryo namwe umugore utwite. Iyi filime ntabwo wemere kuyireba, tujya batwereka mu nshage atandukanye umugabo uzagenda agazitega abakobwa mukanure cyane. Gati iyo ubonye gatandatu eshatu shaburangira mu ubwoba. Iyo mbonye gatandatu eshatu mwari mumaze ijya mubwira ngo Sankara wagiye kuri YouTube. Yes ndiyo muzajya musanga ibiganiro by'ubwenge. YouTube channel yanjye nayo ni Sankara da Prime. Abantu banjye mugere mugore subscribe, mugere mu support nyabona mushyikiriga nyabona. Erega nimwe muntuze buri ubwo mutama menshi, areka mukore subscribe kuri YouTube channel yacu tujye dukomeza tubane buri hamwe hose. Bama kuragezweho kujya filime yiswe Flight 666 cyangwa se indege gatandatu. Banda yari tujya mu ndege. Hari indege zavaga namwe zerekeza ahandi. Uriya mbare gatandatu mu witondere, babanza kubahereza amazi shero meze neza. Huko munzira ari by'indege yo meze neza. Bari bafite ubwoba rugamba yatinye batujya kunyenda mu ndege.
Ladies and gentlemen, cabin crew, please remain.
Bagore namwe bagabo ni cabin crew mugwe muri mu gicaro byanyu. Hari inkuba mu kirere nyinshi cyane n'imvura ni nyinshi, mwambara imikandara yanyu.
Belt signs on for the time being.
Bibaye byiza mwamufunze imikandara kare mwicare mwigame.
Your skies here in a bit.
Ikirere turimo nagari cyiza, harimo inkuba nyinshi n'imiraba n'imiyaga myinshi.
Keep those seat belts fastened.
Rwose seat belts muzifunga neza cyane.
So much for your patience.
Rwose mwakoze bwo kwihangana.
Once we reach clear
skies. Ikintu cyose mwakenera rwose murambwira. Nitugera mu kirere cyiza murakomeza rwose mwicare mu ngo mwari bisanzwe. Bafite makuba. Hakurya mugenzi, inkuba ni nyinshi mu kirere.
Can you check the ATIS?
Wabonye ATIS cyangwa?
The weather report. See when we might break through.
Mane dufasha inaho tugiye ku kibuga cy'indege dusanga ikirere kimeze neza. Mane gafite ubwoba. Hana arabari mugezi bari maragira telefone nazo zirazima, network zirabura. Bano ni ba flight attendant. Nabo barangije nko pilot ababwiye ati mwese muhambira imikandara yanyu. Bagenda baramudufite ni couple.
Photos. He never has.
Kuchabye batajya baseka mu mafoto nako bajya bakunda guseka. Kubera iki se?
I don't know.
Turi bari mafoto abaseka.
Even in my baby photos, he would just like hold me.
Ati rwose na papa nyuma mafoto yanjye kera nteruye yabagarakaye.
And just be like, probably something I did.
Ya ni uko yimereye papa wanjye. Ukiri n'umwana cyane. Harogora umuzana kujyana nabo batakwishimiye akakumenya ko batajya baseka. Akorana ko mama yishimye.
They did not.
Ababyeyi bawe baranyanga cyangwa
hate you.
ntago bakwanga sheri.
That's just how they are.
Oh, you're just saying that.
Ntago navuze ko banyanga gusa nyine.
Love you.
Sheri urabona ndagukunda.
Because I love you, they love you too.
Dore kuba ngukunda n'ababyeyi banjye baragukunda.
And even if they hate your guts, they're still 2,600 miles away.
Sheri ibyo bitinda dusigaje mayiro nkeya tukagera aho tugiye. Mukobwa arimo agenda areba udufoto.
Well, Raisinette loved me.
Mane imwe nawe Raisinette yari yankunze.
Yeah.
Mane yarishimije cyane.
Shit going on in my brain doesn't matter.
Ati biri mu bintekerezo zawe n'az'abana ntago biri ngombwa. Ariko nuko ibintu byose bimeze neza.
Smiling.
Yeah.
Kandi warakoze kubwo kumwenyura.
My pleasure.
Ni by'agaciro. Ni kupura ariko indege barimo. Indege hey! Ikirere kimeze nabi. Ba pilot baracanganye nayo. Hari ikintu ubona nacyahindutse.
Unavoidable. Projections are all over the place.
Projections ziri buri hamwe hose.
MCs.
Ariko rwose hano kuri MCC nta kintu ndabona.
Great.
Nagataburo kabagari mbere pilot bone ba pilot batwara ari babiri ariko baba bagenda bafashanya.
This thing is following us.
Ariko mazari ikintu kikudukurikirana bana. Indege muro control mu kirere. Maniga hakuno. Ariko saro kanzana nzogera kujya rero ko bamufasha hano bari nzogera. Ba flight attendant.
It's 25A.
Yewe ni 25A. Genda umurebe. buriya mu ndege abantu umuntu aba yicaye kurya kandi akunzogera bakabaza gukora iki kumufasha yega
Yes, sir. What can I do for you?
nagufasha iki
Please tell the pilot to not crash the plane.
ndakwizanye ubwire pilot atagongesha indege atakurayishingisha
Assure you that he's already considered.
ibyo arabizi rwose
In the same flight as me.
sinzi niba abantu badafite ubwoba nkanjye
Can I get you something?
mushakira ikintu cyo kunywa nk'amazi
My medicine,
hari imiti mfite mu gikapu
it's in my bag.
iri mu gikapu
Sure. Is it in your carry-on?
akaza ndebere igikapu wakiza mu kanyano
Suitcase.
oya ni muri varisi nini
Oh, sir, if you checked your luggage at the airport,
ati rwose niba utabereye kuri airport
Can't get
ngo bafashe imiti yawe yibanze wigendane
No.
ntabwo twajya ahantu hari imizigo rwose ngo tuvaneyo umuzigo wawe
Hey, what if it's an emergency?
ndetse usanze ari uburwayi mfite muri iri janse mukeneye imiti kuyinywa nona
sir,
nyakubahwa umbabarire
I can get you a headset.
nakuzanira ekuteri umusego wenda n'ikiringiti ushakira amazi
Just knowing that we could crash any
mana afite ubwoba ndi kumva indege ishobora kuba yagonga igice ari cyo cyose ko yakurashinga barega abataramenyereye kugenda mu ndege mfitemo akantu kakuba yewe
Oh, what a little heartbreaker.
mbega akana keza mana kameze nka senya mgugugu hano arafite imyaka 4
Age.
mbega imyaka myiza
I could see the look on her face when she sees you.
ati rwose ubu ndimo ndabona umwana burya ari bwishime nakubona nka papa utashye
I'd be happy to see any look on her face.
ati rero nibwo ndabonezerwa mbona yishimye
Employed for 24 months now.
maze rwose amezi 28 ubwo ni imyaka 2 nataha
Only thing I could think about was her and her mom.
ubu ndacyakari kumwe na mama we
Soldier?
ese uri umusoja uri umusirikare ndazanye muri Army Ranger
How much more time do you have left?
none se usigaje igihe kingana iki
Well, I was delayed in Paris. The only flight
ati twatinze turi i Paris
I was to LAX.
indege rwose atujya muri Lax
5 hours to New York, and then
ati amasaha bagenda ageze muri New York
I got to see my family.
bati imodoka y'isaha imwe bageze mu rugo manu buri gikundiro
Oh, I'll say.
mbega byiza ese wa mukobwa ukora mu ndege
They're getting restless.
abaturage batangiye kurambirwa
Hopefully we break through this before they...
ntabwo abantu bari tuzi ino mino abaturi bicamo na zo nkuba
Nervous, so. Anyone need anything now, though?
Oh, yeah.
abantu bagira icyo bashyira nyine umbwira sibyo
Please.
banza umereze ikiringiti kimwe n'agacupa k'amazi akira n'akaringiti
Thank you, Liam.
urakoze Liam yikorera hano mu ndege hano hari undi mugabo nawe cy'inkuba zikubita nawe imba arasoma agatabo banza arunguruka hanze kumbe afite imbunda umwe mu bari mu ndege arayibona wow umugabo yitwaje intwaro niba ari ikiyebeje ni kunepa ubona ko umukobwa yayibonye subizaho ikote neza yewe
Don't worry.
ntugire ikibazo
Supposed to have it.
nemereye kuba natunga imbunda mu ndege
Sorry, I wasn't worried.
yewe ntabwo nari mpangayikishijwe n'ibyo nawe ntiyabitindaho
I'm lying, I was worried.
ntabwo nakubeshye nari mpangayitse umugabo arangije avana baji y'akazi ni umusirikare
Name's Thaddeus.
bayita Thaddeus
U.S. Air Marshal.
ni USA ya Marshal buriya muri Amerika nyuma y'uko ibiciro byagiye bitega indege nyinshi cyane bafashe umwanzuro ko buri ndege izajya ihaguruka muri Amerika hagomba kuba harimo umugenzi w'umusirikare ugomba kuba yasabanza nk'ikihebe akaba yatabara umugenzi ni Thaddeus ni USA ya Marshal Air Marshal
Flight deck.
flight deck
Can I get you guys anything?
nabazana icyo kurya cyangwa icyo kunywa
I think we're good, thanks, Alice.
tumeze neza Alice
Everything good back there?
aya nyuma yemeze biti
We had one passenger ask that you guys not crash the plane.
dufitemo umugenzi umwe atubwiye ngo rwose arimo kurashingisha indege ntagire ikibazo
Let me know if you guys need something. Just ring.
ariko namwe mugize icyo mukenera mwamenyesha sawa urakoze turakubwira ni Kalisi
Everything all right back there?
inyuma yemeze neza ra
Seems good.
bisa nkaho ari byiza
Just checking in.
na Alice watubazaga natwe uko tumeze
Would have been nice if JFK gave us a heads up on this storm before takeoff.
indege JFK dutwaye rwose muri iyi storm cyangwa se muri bino bihe turimo ntabwo ari sawa cyane
Seen a storm this big.
ariko nta bwoba ikirere cyaza kumera neza
Seeing the moment we were off the ground.
ati rwose nugira urwikekwe byose ni sawa cyane
These domestic red eyes are a nightmare too.
maso yatuka rwose usa nkaho ari inzozi mbi ariko
Sure, but after,
nta birenze bana
you know.
baragenda bagana n'umugenzi wa pilot ebyiri barafashanya
All the coffee in the world, my friend.
atari akantu unakoresha ikawa iyo ntwaye indege ni ikawa ya mbere ku isi
Any plans for New York?
ese hari n'imipango bafite muri New York
Had a hot date.
mani mfite akuki tuzasohokana
Beautiful woman you've ever seen.
ati niyo mugore mwiza nigeze mbona muri iyi si
What's her name?
yitwa nde
Don't know yet.
ntabwo ndamenya izina rye twateretaniye online ni ibyo ngibyo nta bindi birenze rangije Hano ko muzi by'indege banashaka utuntu tw'uduporezo.
Better?
Maybe.
Kirenge cyari sawa na wenda ko biri.
To flying, like if you can't do it.
Bereka abantu batijya kugenda mu ndege kubera gutinya ikirere.
I don't think it's the flying.
Ntabwo nacyo gatari kubera ikirere.
Tube that resembles a penis while thinking about flying it.
Bereka yanakwihambira kanikomeza ryiza n'izigenda zizunguza.
Think of.
Man nagamye gutekereza.
Giant penis or the flying and exploding?
Uri ko ufite ubwabo bwakabanda nini cyangwa indege kuba yaturika. Baravuzaga kuko cyo gatinya. Ndati byombi bitinya byombi.
Planes?
Nawe utinya indege se?
I'm afraid of a lot of things, but
ntabwo njya ibintu byinshi.
Flying isn't one of them.
Ariko mu byo ntatinya n'indege kujya mu ndege ntabwo mbitinya.
It's a beautiful thing we do.
Mana kuba turana nabyo ni ibintu byiza.
Up here in the darkness where no one can see us.
Ibaze ko turana mu kirere no umuntu atatubona nta n'inyoni yaba yatubona.
How long has it been?
Like 3.
Maze kingana iki mu ndege? Ndati imyaka 3. Akora muri kano kazi. Bagira aho harundi wasonnye.
I'm busy.
Ndi busy arimo arazinga makuba nuza ibiringiti genda urebe umuntu uko manzi. Maniga mu yakari nyitari kafite ubwoba. Maniga runguruka hanze. Maniga jiza gutya. Abona ikintu cyoza nk'umuntu mu ndege. Sihora mwansabye mwitare mu ryeco. Nakubwiye bitara turajyombo cyo kirimo. Abana mu kirere inkuba mu bihe. Maniga urebe. Maniga ni mu ndege. Arimo arabona ibintu bidaha niba sinzi ariko. Nta ushintu mbonera. Maniga rebye neza. Ngwino. Maniga kubera ubwoba. Maniga reba neza. Nta kintu mbonera. Ngwino. Arakomeza arareba. Ngwino kapfa. Maniga gira mu bwoba. Highway. Maniga rikaza.
What's on the way?
Hari ikintu mbonye. Mbonye umuntu ari marama magara.
You need to take
Umuntu arwamagara sara umuntu mu kirere. Hari ikintu mbonye tuza mwana.
Is everyone shaken up?
Wanyweye urumogi cyangwa ni kitapimpa. Wanyweye ibiki wacomye. Wafashe mugo cyangwa.
Take your seat, okay?
Banza wicare utuza sibyo.
There's nothing like that out there. I can assure you that.
Ndakwizeza ko nta kintu ubonye. Take your seat subira wicare.
Excuse me.
Nkeneye bona ibaretse gato. Maniga aratambuka. Sasa bari bicaranye neza cyangwa urumogi cyangwa.
Oh, sir, I'm sorry. You can't use the bathroom.
Ntukoreshe ubwiherero umva.
Don't touch it.
Uretse ayifungira n'indani. Okay. Buriya abantu bakora mu ndege ntabwo ajya gutongana n'abakiriya. Umeze neza. Harimo wa musirikare kuvuye mu mazi imyaka 2 adataha. Harimo na amasho.
Excuse me? What's
Yewe ni biki biri kujya mbere?
It's just nerves.
Nubwo bagize nabindi.
Has everyone.
Hari abantu bakonyera kugera mu ndege.
This flight all the time. This is the worst I've seen it.
Mbona ko nubwo mbere mbibonye.
Do you live in Los Angeles?
Utuye muri Los Angeles.
Well, my parents do. We were just there on vacation.
Ati ni ababyeyi banjye batuye tuvuye muri vacation. Ariko tuye muri New York muri Brooklyn.
Honeymoon, really?
Mana twese dufite muri honeymoon. Wow, felicitation.
Let me ask you something. So
Nakubaza.
it's when a passenger is more out of control, like more than that.
Ese iyo umuntu mugenzi ananiwe kwikontrola. Bigenda biti?
Generally, these situations resolve themselves.
Ati byo ni ibintu byikemura kenshi.
We have protocols in place.
Ariko sibyo ko muri dura n'ibintu bitandukanye, ariko turabikemura.
That's scary.
Byari biteye ubwoba.
I said these situations usually resolve themselves.
Anabwo ibintu zino sose birikemura urumva ko amara mwanya mu ndege agera akamenyera paka tugeze iyo tugiye. Ariko Maniga afite ikintu abonye. Maniga kubera ubwo bazamubwiye rero. Bamugize umusazi. Baravuze ngo ndimo ndagwe ibiyobyabwenge mana kubera. Maniga babicetse ko ngo urumogi yacomye. Kumbe yari afite icyo abonye. Kumbe Maniga namubwiye rero. Hey! Maniga highway! Maniga bazi ko yacomye kumbe. Maniga afite ibyo barabona mu ndege. Maniga afite ibyo barabona mu ndege. Abandi batarimo barabona. Maniga vayo. Highway! Nakubwiye ngo Sankara turashaka abana mwicare muri ryo show. Ntabwo nakwiza rundi mbona mu ndege. Cyagerageje kumfata. Iki kigufata. Umugore muri miruwari. Maniga sasa ameze nk'uwacomye.
Need help?
Umva turagufasha.
Air Marshal, everything's fine.
Umvanye wa Air Marshal. Mumfashe cyo cyazanye mu ndege mfasha abantu nk'aba. Uyu muntu ashaka kwari n'ikiye babona ateze nk'igisasu. Ashaka aho yacikira. Dore Maniga ngo sasa wa Air Marshal ngo aramufata. Narumogi nanyweye muri miruwari.
Train this passenger till we get to JFK.
Dofetano rwose mu ndege ya JFK umugezi rwose bariteza akavuyo. Umva mereza bwa muntu bahambiza. Hari udupingu tuno twa plastike. Abari mwese musore mu nyishano byanyu na kibazo. Gen wa US Air Marshal. Everyone back in your seats. bana sasa hari binini babitwaje mu ndege iyo abonye umuntu ateje akajagari cyakavuyo bagukubita ari cyitwa speed governor kigabanya umuvuduko w'ubwongo tusinzira hamwe waruzingo we ni umusore no US Marshal ukabwo zana akamatogisi hano bafite ibinini benero ngombe ibintu by'ibinini nk'ibyo hano akubita urunini ugatuwera chiricarira ndima ndamumva ntabwo natumye mwana ntabwo ndigiye I'm not a terrorist ntabwo ndigiye bari n'ikintu nakibonye bafata urunini rusinziriza hano agukubita urusipidi gavana ubwonko bugafurizinga bamuha urunini barumurisha ku ngufu mira kamire ibyo mira kamwe nsobye maniga bahamukubise urunini bafunga umunwa maniga ikinini ko cyakinjiye
You tying him up?
Jya kumuhambira gusa se paka tuzi tugomba kumuhambira paka indege izagera atongera kugira ikibazo. Okay, mfasha tumuterure baramwegura maniga sasa maniga afite ikintu abonye ariko kubera ko abandi batakibonye bamugize umusazi bane batanguye bajya buganyesha ko ari ikihebe baranje maniga uko yagahwereye abandi mujye inyuma tumutwicaze hakuno wenyine. Ana murakoze maniga bamwicaza hakuno HR second.
The passenger
Ikirindi kigucinege.
he's been medicated.
Ati rwose umugenzi yaragize akabazo ariko abaye medicated bamuhaye imiti. Rwose mwihangane indege mu masaha make nabigeze agiye. Kandi bihangane ikirindi kigucinege ko naguhwera. Ese neza sawa. Ibyo nibyo nashaka kuvana kare. Bahambiriye amaboko. Beno mwegize nabi. Wawundi wa US Air Marshal amwicara inyuma. Bagwera igihe sama Bin Laden yagenda agatega ibisasu mu ndege abatalibani nta kintu asigaye bakora asigaye afata abasirikare muri Amerika bagomba bari mu ndege kandi mu buryo bw'ibanga cyane ko byakomeye ngo mumenya ko yararimo naje banza ibinyuma ngo ubonye ibintu mu ndege guteze
Bran,
sheri ibintu byivange mu gute iki
wanted to help.
ndashaka gufasha nta kindi
isn't something you should be involved in.
sheri ibintu ibintu akaba yivanga amavuye muri honeymoon.
Okay, I'm sorry.
Samba bare sheri
I guess I'm still in my head about my parents.
erega ndacyategeza ababyeyi banje
You said it was okay.
yebo ndibaza icyo ababyeyi bagutekerezagaho bambwiye ko mankunze kandi ndakwizera
Yeah.
sawa ntacyo bitwaye
Next time it'll be better.
wenda ubutabizamera neza bazanyishimira nayo niko mbikeka bavuye muri honeymoon indege mu kirere mani afite ikintu yabonye wamugira umusazi reba filime sazi bamwe ngo yanyweye ibimogi mana rwose ikirere kimeze nabi cyane.
Everything. 5 minutes ago, looked like we'd be out of it in 20, but
rwose iminota mitanu ishize indege igabanyutseho gatanga 20%.
fuel gauge will work.
Altimeter yayo na fuel gauge bihagaze neza hano bari ibirege buryo hagaze bakiraho noromuri uri kudukanga cyangwa buriya kabazo kose kabaye ku ndege abapilot bahita bakira sinyare niba itara rizimye niba ari pfuye bigenze biti hano bahita babimenya rangije
Flight deck.
Captain, it's Liam.
ni Liam
Storm caused a passenger to freak out.
ati rwose cyari gitumye umuntu umwe ahwera
The marshal stepped in and assisted.
ariko hari umusho uri mani ndadufashije tumutera imiti arasinzira
Training?
nkamuhambiriye
Control back there.
ati nizere ko biri muri control
I think so.
yani ko mbikeka ariko mbikeka
Okay, good. Just
saa byiza
make sure everybody's comfortable.
umeke ushaka hano sari comfortable bameze neza
Now.
Got it.
saa nabyumva bameke ushaka abantu bari inyuma rwose bameze neza nta kibazo sasa hakuno wa musirikare babanza kugenda batambaza amazi abafata utuji hano muvanayo dutebo abafata kofi
Ma'am,
mama akira hakuno ino akira nayo databuje abinywera amazi abanywa iki ikindi icyo ushaka mu ndege hano hari undi afunguye arebe hanze ikintu yavugaga kiriyo kugenda bavuga
Just a water, please.
muhereza iki n'amazi
Miss,
mabuja
I was wondering if you had anything else I could snack on.
mwambona akantu ko kurya gatoya
The peanuts?
wenda nk'utuntu tw'utunyobwa
Gave me his, but my stomach is...
ndumva mu ndange rwose hari vide
we're gonna start the in-flight meal as soon as the storm dies down.
ati rwose turashaka kunkurya mu ndege muba burimo butoya utuntu tw'utunyobwa utuntu nk'utwo tubajiya
Package salad.
ariko dufite n'utubusalade ku ruhande byaba ubonye udusalade byabasaba kurushaho aba ari packed salads umukecuru yakira ubusalade si ibyatsi nushaka n'ibyo kurisha ndabiguha upangira ubusalade hakuno umukecuru ariko mu nda hakora icyatuza
Peanuts.
Of course.
yawe ni utunyobwa cyane peanuts abandi mu ndege nyine mukecuru arimo aratitira n'ubwoba
You think he saw a ghost?
ashaka yabonye umuzimu sheri oya nta buzima ariko sibyo biba wowe
I think he probably thought he saw one.
ahubwo yaketse ko yawubonye ariko nta muzimu uze mu ndege gute
Yeah. Probably just crazy.
n'ubusazi buri aho nta bintu bya danje
You know, I think I saw ghosts when I was little.
nanjye najyaga njya kubona abonye umuzimu nkiri umwana seriyese
I mean, maybe.
ndakeka sindi shuwa yabyo
And he sees things you don't understand.
hari ibintu tuba tuzi ariko tutanasobanukiwe
An old hallway,
nari ni mu gikoridoro gishaje
out of the corner of your eye, but
mbere yanjye hari koridoro nkajyamo ibintu bidari hari mu mwijima
or you're driving and there's someone behind you.
hari n'ukuntu uba utwaye imodoka ajya wumva inyuma hari umuntu uhari
Gone.
wahindukira ukabona ko nta muntu uhari
Other people.
yaba ari umuzimu cyane abandi bantu
This one time,
akira hakuno abantu bagiye bahereza ibyo kurya
being in my bed,
hari n'igihe nabaga ndi mu gitanda ni jyenyine
on my side, looking out my window and
nkumva ko hari umuntu yanze y'idirishya arimo arandeba nareba hanze y'idirishya nkabura umuntu
because I was trying to go to sleep.
ariko akenshi byambagayo nabaga nabuze ibitotsi nyine ndimo ndigaragura mu buriri
Looks out of the woods.
numva nyine nta gitotsi
The guy?
numva ko hari nk'umusore uhari
He looked like Frankenstein.
nabonaga rwose asa nka Frankenstein kugeza umukobwa ko bagiye n'indege tayari
Towards the house, through the back,
bagenda baganiramo rwose uburyo ki
straight towards my window,
yajyaga nabona ibintu bidahari akiri mutoya
until I could see the whites of his eyes. And then he just stood there and looked at me.
hari n'igihe nabonaga umuntu ahagaze nk'ari arimo arandeba mwamureba mu maso
I freaked out.
iyo wagera ku bwazo byagendaga bite
Went through and woke
nariruka nkajya mu cyumba cy'ababyeyi banjye
guy in my window.
ntabwo yahoremo nabona umuntu mu idirishya
My dad, he came in and looked around.
bakaza akareba mu idirishya akabona nta muntu uhari
They even went into the backyard. They said I was dreaming.
hari n'igihe numvaga ababyeyi banjye barimo baravuga ngo wenda narotaga
I don't remember falling asleep.
usibye ko numvaga barimo barambeshya rwose nibukaga igihe nasinziririye arimo aragenda aganiriza sheri wiwe
I don't think he
byatangiye byose kubera umutipe wavuze ngo yaboneye umuzimba mugira umusazi ibyo bibaho cyane mu bwana kubona ibintu bidahari ukikanga
Anyone?
nawe ugeze ubona umuzimu ukiri umwana ugeze nk'abantu bakundana baba jene mariya usanga bigano ntabyo bakajya bakabeshyanya bagahimba inkuru akabwira mugenzi we ukuntu ihene yishe ingwe ngo kandi ngo iyo tayiganywa niyo yari yiyenje ngo ihene ngo birayishe
Cool it.
mwakira tuntu two kunywa wa musirikare wa Air Marshal yibereye ku bunyobwa n'amazi kumbe maniga bashinja urumogi tangiye kuzanzamuka hakunino aho babika amazi ibyo kunywa
During a storm, we'll be picking crouton crumblies off the floor.
umuntu yafata ubusalade muri iyi storm cyangwa hano umukecuru byatsi ariko nabirenze
I know.
mana urugendo rw'indege rwari hatari
That'll happen.
reka twizere ko nta bindi bibiri imbere
And over there keeping watch, we should be fine.
nabona uyu mugabo Charlie Bronson rwose arimo aracungana n'abantu ntakiri bube umukecuru arimo ararya umukecuru arimo ararya salade dore ngo salade ngo arazigarura
Need some help over here.
yazishyira hano ufasha hano inyuma umukecuru arutse salade harimo inyo
Give me like a towel.
zanira akayishima
Okay, can you breathe?
uko yana sajaje nike bana nyangasa iminari y'akanya isaruka harimo inyo
Let's get you back to your seat.
ye musubire mu myanya yanyu
Get up.
fata akayishima biyore tatawe
Eat.
ibintu biteye sesemera ibaza salade ari yako kanya ahita aruka inyo
Check the other salad.
genzura izindi salade urebe ukuntu zimeze tutaza kujya kugaburira abandi bintu bino bintu bita bijyangiza mugenzi izina ry'indege bagabura ibintu biboze ibintu nk'ibyo maniga no muzindi salade do kumbe zose zaboze arangije maniga za hakuno bamena imyanda muri puberi yitonze avana n'izindi salade zose bari bafite zose wuzuyemo inyo. Niba byagenze bitashane kunepa uwa mbere yabonye ibintu bidahari none ibiryo bahagurutse ku kibuga cy'indege ari bizima bitangiye kubura nta n'amasanga baramara mu kirere urebe filime gusa aho banzamagare pilot amumenyesha
Flight deck.
Hey, sorry to bother you again.
nongere ko murekeye kubabangamira tayari sinyale z'indege zitangira kubura uri murahamagara network ziranga indege nayo mu kirere. This is Pan US 57 over turimo turabona control Pan uko bahamagara bo hasi ntago bumvikana system iri difficult ntago twaba tracking ahantu muherereye yamwe n'ibiki bijya mbere.
Well, they're rotten.
Ibintu byaboze byaboze
They're like satanic rotten.
bisa nkaho byaboze rwose ibintu bisa satani ibintu byuzuyemo inyo magotsi.
That's disgusting.
Ibintu biteye seseme bana
Your flight meals are rotten.
mwana ibiryo byo mu ndege byose byaboze.
Great.
Yeza cyane.
Have Liam call LAX, tell him about the food.
None se yamuyabahamagaye twahagurukiye ku ndege ngabwira ibiryo badupakiriye.
LAX.
Aramwe ngahamagara muri LAX cyangwa se dosenyo sa indege yahagurutse.
The passengers as comfortable as you can.
Ariko abantu bari mu ndege batagiye ikintu bamenya rwose ibiryo mu bimene na byakavuga ko nabirimo ariko batamenya kijya mbere.
What did he say?
Avuze ngo
Keep everyone comfortable.
abantu baturisha nta kindi. Keep everyone comfortable.
Phones aren't working.
Telefone yako ntabwo ziri gukora.
Running out.
Hello?
I'm comfortable.
Barambwe ngo baturisha nta kindi telefone yahise ivaho.
What?
Ndimo numvamo ibiceri.
Yes. Darkness.
Ndimo numva ibintu rwose biteye ubwoba. Ya. Sasa indege dore ngo irazima. Dore ngo indege iracurama. Indege system yose indege irizimya. Hana igisigaye no gufunga imikandara. Igisigaye no gufunga imikandara. Dore indege ngo iracurama. Dore indege ngo iracurama. System y'indege ziba down. Moteri zirijimije. Injini zirijimije z'ubwazo. Turabya notesi. Moteri z'ubwazo zirijimije. Nta kintu wakora. Ultimate nayo yazimye.
You got eyes on the horizon, Ryan?
Mwana turabya zote wana. Indege iri manuka bumva butosho.
Lightning strike.
Indege iri manuka butosho. Kandi indege iri manuka gutya. Iricana. Moteri isubiraho. Moteri yisubizaho. Moteri zisubizaho. Barwana nayo iritambika. Mayday arimo aramagara bari hasi. Iri JFK Center. Pan US 57. Tugize cya engine failure moteri igiye hasi.
Systems check.
Ubu rwose muturabira system yacu cyaba kibaye. Ntabwo bisanzwe biba.
We're in aerodynamic stall. We are dead stick.
Hano bose baravugijwe ntacyo wabikoraho. Ya filime sasa. Tayari bashitura moteri. Imwe irashya. Sasa indege ifite nuze ebyiri imwe irafatwa dore ngo indege iramanuka butosho.
Copy that. Pull back with me. We gotta get this.
Gerageza ukure tureba twasubiza ku murongo. Indege. Ntabwo hey. Ya filime sasa. Reba filime sasa. Samaganda planta hano arabwe ngo kitapimpa ariko ibyo yanyweye simbizi ariko mukanure cyane ndakubwiye nda premier inkora indege se indege iricara.
We get them spinning, the generators will run.
Nta generator ziri mu indege cyangwa
No, we're too far out. Not gonna work.
ngana zetu cyo muntu yakora sisiko byakunda. Gerageza connect ba connect au generator bastura moteri indege yabuze stability yabuze stamina yabuze ubwicara naze no yicara cyangwa igenda cyangwa ihagarara ariko tu iracyacurama. Hey tayari bari mu ndege ariko
Fire, damn it, connect!
nganda
Damn it!
nganda ibintu byabaye sagara.
Gonna return!
Mwana tugeze kuri point of no return. Nta gusubira inyuma. Turore. Ana fata bikunde. Kubwa mahirwe tayari. Kubwa mahirwe. Kurura. Arayicoza. Indege irongera ikora iki? Bayirebesha mu kirere. Highway. Yari yacuramye. Hey! Indege irongera kwama mu kirere fresh. Na system irongera iraka. Iyi ndege nabaye sinzi byayo. Nabanyari imibare 6 kandi imibare bya Ruminata. Indege irakwama. Hey! Sagara nababwiye. Mana ishimwe. Thanks God.
Lead, please contact the cockpit. Thank you.
Turi rwose n'aba fly lead n'abayoboye indege.
Good work.
Koze neza mwana. Moto z'ibintu byasubiye murongo.
That before.
Ntabwo nize mu indege ipfa gutya.
But not like that.
Ntabwo ari ukubijya bijyana nanjye kabisa n'ubwa mbere biranunguye.
You're getting to see a lot of things you never see.
Ariko mu ndege utwara indege ubona ibintu byinshi. Ariko nanjye mu majoro yose natwaye. Ubwa mbere mbibonye.
Had a heart attack.
Kristo nanirwaye umutima kabisa. Ay.
Can you start the walkthrough?
Ubu wakongera ukabasha gutambuka kandi ncemo mbaturishe. Nta kindi. Banza fatano telefoni.
You okay back there?
Inyuma mumeze neza ra? Yakuba mumeze neza winsakurize. Mudu tegesha ikidege cyanyu kigoswe.
That was a lot.
Yewe byari bihatari.
How about everyone else? Any injuries?
Abantu ari wakomeretse.
I don't know.
Ntabwo mbizi nari wakomeretse.
Forget.
Ariko mugenzi wanjye arimo aracamo hagati. Sanda byumva.
About 4:10 do we hit New York?
Saa 10:10 twinjiye New York.
See if we can make this a better trip from here on
Turebe
out.
ko yende iyi trip iyo twayirangiza neza kurusha uko twayitangiye. Ariko biri kose abaturage barakaye. Umva.
Oh, sweetie,
Hano harakubise rwose izuru ku idirishya.
let me touch you up in the restroom. I'm not.
Tujya mu bwiherero ureko afata agatambaro kihanagura. Ngwino hakuno ino. Hano harakubise izuru atava imyuna.
Need to.
Yes.
Abandi meze neza. Saa murakoze. Baratambuka ajya mu bwiherero. Ayo marava imyuna. Azayamara amajuru. Yinjira midani meze neza. Mukomeze mutukangana rwose indege byanyu byari bigenze neza. Barabasobanurira. Yitonze. Banaga telefone. Telefoni? Zirakwama.
Gentlemen, apologies for the turbulence, as you may have gathered.
Turi rwose abagore namwe bagabo turbulence duhuye nayo rwose itera ikibazo gikomeye ariko mukomeze mwihangane. Mukecuru ufata amazi umwe.
Things back in order.
Turi rwose mukomeze mutwihanganira amakuru meza nuko indege rwose yasubiye muri order. Indege muri situation nziza.
It's our number one priority.
Turi rwose kohereza ikirere tukajya muri New York City. Niyo priority yacu nicyo kibanze. Kandi turamakinga ushaka ko turi bageze amahoro kandi munahumeka neza.
It's about 4 hours.
Turi rwose kujya amasaha 4.
Sit back and try to relax.
Icyo musabwa no kwicara mukarelaxa.
Through the cabin to make sure everyone.
Turi rwose cabin crew cyo muri bukene babwire. Cyangwa se aba flight attendant baraba buri kimwe. Kandi mukomeze mwihanganira indege yacu kubwa discomfort yakanya gato. Yewe.
I am not. It's just.
Uyagari ubwenge ati kuki mungamambiri. Agufunga n'umunwa.
What? I am not.
Kwa acicika.
You had an episode.
Wo episode ya mbere yagenze nabi twagwambiriye.
I had to restrain you.
Nagomba kugwambira.
I don't understand. It's for your own good.
Ibyo nakoze ni kubw'inyungu za it's for your own good.
But no, you know.
Ariko nagunyumva kabubwisukura mwe nagunyumva.
Let me tell you one more time. Shh.
Utongera guteza akavuyo please mfasha. Tetuaceceka. Nyumva neza.
You have the right to remain silent.
You have the right to remain silent. Ufite uburenganzira bwo gufunga umunwa.
And if I were you, that's
Iyo mba ndi wowe.
what I would do.
Akabaye mfungura umunwa sibyo? Ceceka please.
Relax.
Saba ngaho relax. Ceceka utuze. Maniga. Baramwe ngatete gafunga umunwa nta kindi. Bamushinje ibimoje bavuga ibiki? Kumbe hano mukaragiye. Mukaragiye kureba neza. Ariko ibintu mugenzi wanjye yavugaga. Warimo arabona ibintu hanze y'indege. Nawe aronguruka hanze. Urebe. Ngenda abona amagi. Nawe areba hanze. Arebye hanze mwenda abona amagi. Abona hari ikintu kimwe nk'ari umuntu. Ariko se. Itabi ryo mu kajyasi. Mwena abona nyiri romba. Ariko ni itabi cyangwa. Sasa hari ibintu ubona. Ukavuga naba nasinze cyangwa. Baba pilot aho bari.
LAX Center.
Abahamagara muri LAX Center.
Lost contact with JFK.
Mwaduhamagara ku kibuga cya JFK. Ni ya ndege ya Pan U-57.
Okay.
Bari guhamagara aho baturutse. Bakominikana nabo barimo barajya. Babatunganyiriza umwana asigaye amasaha make akaba landing.
Gonna have to be lost power.
Bisanga n'uburyo twabuze umunara n'ikintu bazi.
What about the systems check?
Warebye system yose agaze neza se?
Went through the book.
Narebye mu gitabo.
Why, but
Ikintu cyatuma indege yizimya.
got a few problems.
Gusa dufite utubazo dukeya.
According to the diagnostics, the cabin pressure is good.
ati nkurikije ibyo mbona cabin pressure imeze neza, fuel irimo, landing gears imeze neza,
and autopilot's gone.
Yeah.
ariko bantu twatwara muri system ya autopilot, indege ikitwara vuga mwashyizemo icyerekezo.
Greatest ever built. Keep our hands on the wheel, we should be just fine.
ati reka dukomeze dutware ibya autopilot tubireke turaza kumera neza nta kindi.
For some reason we lose navigation.
Asa wasanga ari impamvu turimo turabona navigation, niyo mpamvu se.
Through a storm with engine failure, not
aya bazana ko turi mu kirere nk'iki ngiki inde moteri kizimya.
Keep calm, kid, alright?
Mwana muto tuzane bwa nubwo uje mu ndege ibintu bimazemo imyaka, ahubwo nusinzire gusa. Hamagara abo kuri artist wabwira ibya munuza report. Acha nano ka screen ka artist arebe hano.
We wanted to divert our path according to the data. There's no...
Ati no tukashaka guhindura icyerekezo dukurikije data duhabwa ni artist, ntabwo byadukundira ko turi mu cyerekezo kimwe.
I can't see anything out there.
Ntacyo ndimo ndabona pe.
Equipment, no equipment, radio or no radio. Storms only last so long.
Ati mwana kamubwira yaba radio cyangwa itaro cyangwa se ikintu kitariho, ntabwo inkubi nk'izimiyaga zijya zitinda mu kirere n'iby'akanya gato. Biturenga ikirere ingo ziri kubitira turajyanda ameze neza. Sasa telefone nawe yavuyeho network yijimije. Kumbe nta kintu mbonye. Anayimuka. Hey. 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 Sema midea. Sasa waje mbwiherero. Mana nyenzi kubiti cyangwa ngo biti zuru mva minyuna. Mariano mu bwiherero. Tangira kumva amajwi. Arazima. Areje mu kirahuri abona kwirosi bamukase. Kumbe na bamukase. Arimo areba mu kwirosi akabona yakatise. Ariko sinimo ndava amaraso cyangwa. Atangira kwivugisha. Hasa nibije byambere bana? Arimo areba muri wara akabona kwirosi bamubaze. Kandi yakwikora kumva ni muzima. Bana bari mu ndege ariko ni ibintu dari mabuja.
Excuse me, man?
Mama nyihanga nakusakuza niki? Na majwi mwumvara?
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Mama uranyumva? Ari reba akabona ari cyamubaza.
You know who broke me?
Oya. Mumfashe. Abura sasa abura. Sakanuza bafungurije.
Ma'am, I'm sorry.
Mabuja ihangane.
The lock override is stuck. I can't open.
Nuza yo ku muryango irimo indani kare. Fata kare uyikate urakingura. Na kare ndimo ndabona. Kare umva hariho kare. Kata kare. Kare arayibura. Sasa bari bari mu ndege bari kubona ibintu bidahari. Basa no bacanganye ikiwe. Reba filime sasa. Reba filime sasa. Aya. Ndimo ndabona ari cyamukuruye. Kimukuruye. Yibona handi hantu. Urebe. Hey! Yibona handi hantu ariko. Na kubwiye bitandatu kukoze na jombo cyo kirimo. Hey! Imbere ye. Aiwe
smartphone yawe yaraguhenze none ngo yishyize mu maboko atabyigiye ngo bayigukorere. Oya yishyira abatekinisiye b'umwuga ba Isatech iherereye mu mujyi kwa Makuza ahateganye n'umusigiti bayigukorere kinyamwuga. Muri Isatech bakora telefone z'ubwoko bwose muri service zikurikira: gukora cyangwa gusimbura bateri, gusimbura screen yangiritse, gukora cyangwa gusimbura aho ucomeka charger kuri telefone, charging port, gukora kamera itagikora neza cyangwa kuyisimbura. Tunagufitiye abatekinisiye bakora za projecteri kandi uzadusangana accessoires za telefone nka covers, chargers, screen protectors, camera protectors. Sanga Isatech ku mbuga nkoranyambaga za Instagram, TikTok na Facebook. Wanaduhamagara kuri 0785 104 091.
Mana we uyarwana na kare koko. Fata kare kata kare. Hagize gutyo byakomeye. Abona no wundi wa Air Marshal kwina no mfamo musada. N'ubundi abarete ya Amerika bayishyize mu ndege ni kesi. Baramusari mwikiye mu ndege bakabatabara.
Coming to help, okay?
Aro muri muraza kuba yafasha mukonga utuza.
Stay calm.
Niba uri muranyumva stay calm. Kibazo ki?
I think that there's a woman trapped inside.
Udama sanga yahezemo indani.
She's stuck.
Yahezemo indani.
Yeah, the lock
urumva ni mechanism y'imifungire
improperly.
ntabwo arimo arakora neza wasanga yahezemo indani.
Here, let me try.
Ngaho vongerageze. na wakata kare biranga mabja. Hata mimi nasikia huko ndani lakini una shida gani?
This is the US Air Marshal. I
Ni US Air Marshal.
right now. You're right.
Ni mara nitakuwa gufungurira. Muryango wibara nyina bana tangira kubyumva. Nta tindo wandusha. Kintu kimeze nk'itindo fera beto nabandi batangira gurunguruka. Hano hari agatindo. Ah.
Oh, great.
Ya baretse gatwamwereke. Soja boy yarangije. Yitonze. Hey! Komu indane! Muri mirwari! Mwicanyi! Uko tuza turaje! Baragata tugucingurire! Nongwe juru avuga ibiki? Ngaho ni bono bintu kiri kuvuga. 1 Hari umwicanyi. 2 Taza idayimari mirabwira umgongo harimo umwicanyi mu ndege. Bacinguye umukobwa kumbe yicaye hasi.
Oh my god.
Mara nyagasani. Ayiwe ndimo nakibona. Kiramwe wa muri ndege harimo umwicanyi. Madara Siriyo kira Madara.
Okay.
Muko urimo avuga amagambo atumvikana.
Okay.
Urimo avuga mother, father ni kira usobanukiwe.
Yeah, can you take a seat for me?
Banza wicare mukobwa muto banza wicare uruhuke. Ayiwe mana.
What happened?
Bigenze biti? Muri miruwari. Muri miruwari.
What about the mirror?
Miruwari sibaye iki kandi?
I saw her. She
Namubonye.
was pregnant.
Yaratwite, she was pregnant. Ntabwo nahumeka numva naheza umwuka. Umukobwa navuga ntabwo byumvikana. Naza marega mbere yabwe ko afite ikintu yabonye mugira umusazi.
Okay.
Uko banza tuze.
For me?
Ngaho basi mfurika mufasha haguruke ujye mu mwanya wawe. Sasa uwo bise umwaro mugi. Bazatangiye kwizera ibyo yababwiraga.
It's okay. All right.
Ntacyo bitwaye. Yarangije bari bicaranye mu mwanya ni mwene wabona mamagi. Mwene wabona nyiri romba. Yitonze. Sinabivuze. Mukamvuga ngo meze nka nuza nkonkwa injaga. Se. Hey. Banige bamugize umusazi. Baricara. Ariko na mwene wabona mamagi hari ikintu yabonye. Umeze neza, oyu ndebye ubona ameze neza.
What is going on?
Ni ibiki bijya mbere.
We're never flying this flight again is what's going on.
No.
Abantu bacanganyikiwe.
Hey, that guy.
Brand nanga gucanganyikirwa indege ifite ibintu biteye ubwoba. Umwe yarutsinyo, undi ngaho nawe yabonye ibintu bidahari, n'undi nawe marabona ibintu bidahari mu bwiherero. Iyi ndege ni indege. Sheri tuzo bipanika.
I don't know either.
Sheri nanjye regasimbiza uyimbaza.
Hell of a storm.
Basanga ari inkubi y'umuyaga ari ikirere kimeze nabi.
All right.
Are you okay?
Yewe umeze neza.
You're not.
Mana maze cyo gupfira hano. Sheri ntago turi bupfi.
Air Marshal said that the crazy one was a terrorist.
Ariko naturi amugabo w'umusirikare Air Marshal yavuze ko ambere ari umuterrorist.
Okay, ma'am.
Ana ngaribyo navuze umura mama na terrorist mano.
What are we supposed to do when there's a
Ndetse turakora iki?
plane? I mean,
Sasa muri abaturage abasivile bose bezana ko yabonye umusirikare abazi ko ibibazo byose byakemutse. Babona abonye umusirikare maze imyaka 2 adatahagiye kwa abafashe. Mutubwire.
Maybe we shouldn't call him crazy.
Ntabwo twakwe twamwisha umusazi.
Okay, nothing.
Ariko yavugaga ibintu by'imeze n'abazimu. Hano mwana wabona mama nawe yabonye ikintu kimeze nk'umuzimu.
It's just all a little frazzled right now.
Urumva ibintu by'indege y'umuntu agiye mu bwa mbere agira ikintu cyahamuka akantu k'ubwoba nawe niko bimeze.
It's a malfunction.
Urumva ni hungabana.
Function with the plane.
Indege yagizemo akabazo ariko nta kindi kibazo gihari. Umudayimoni mu ndege yabageye.
boys, you better keep that man away from me because I just want him
Umva uriya mugabo mwamuhambira kugira ngo yabona agaca kwa ibyo bavugaga byari impamo.
on the ground. You know, maybe we got struck by lightning, you know?
Wasanga twakubiswe n'inkuba ntawe ubizi.
Going in now.
Hano buri umwe mu ndege bavuga ibye. Cyane cyane abantu bageze muri situation iteye ubwoba.
I'm a teacher and I watch the news.
Okay, twake n'amakuru turi amakuru kutureba ko hasi bimeze.
You know what? Cool it. All right.
Mwana mwese maze mutuze.
Okay, we're on a plane. The plane
Twese turi mu ndege.
is a machine.
Kandi indege mwibuka ko ari imashini.
The signals get jumbled.
Nk'uko umuntu afata telefone sinyara zikabura n'indege byayibaho. Mugerageze mutuze.
Some shit's gonna go wrong. So
Gitera n'ubwoba mugera mwana umuntu mushize amakosa.
don't even know it's true.
Utagiye mu mwaka yuzinga.
Everyone panic.
Mwepanika.
Exactly.
Bivuga rata no kuri.
Sit back and
Mwese mwicare mufunge imikandara nta kindi gisabwa.
You sure everything's normal?
Hakoje urishe yose meze neza.
I'm not sure.
Je ntago ndishyure ko ngomba guturisha abantu.
It's not supernatural.
Naye ntago ndo ikintu kidasanzwe.
We're on a plane, and planes have problems.
Sheri turi mu ndege kandi indege nazo zigira ibibazo.
Something's not right, Brad.
Sheri hari ikintu kitameze neza ariko.
I know.
Ndabizi.
How about we take our mind off this?
Reka tuzi bikure indege tubitekerezeho. sheri banza wumve nk'umuziki
My brother.
mfite ubu mixtape nagiye nshyira kuri nuza kuri
Right?
akuri nuza yawe umva imiziki
I don't know, it feels weird.
ntabwo nakumva imiziki yenda kumva ibintu bidasanzwe
Babe,
sheri bebe
we're in a storm. Storms pass.
iyo turi mu bihe bitoroshye tubicamo
If I open my carry-on and snakes fall out.
ariko iteka iyo uhora ubitekereza biragukurikirana icyo usabwa ni kimwe tuza muri wowe bombe dododododo reba hariya bombe ku kuri miruwari yabo haracyanditseho ngo mada wabibonye ntabwo ari mada cyangwa fada ni mada y'umwicanyi sasa hakuno mayige babwiye ngo anywa injaga arashaka kwihambura warusingo umva umva neza nkubwire
You're really stupid if you think I'm letting you out of my sight.
waruzwa uryo niba uziko naguvanya amaso urinjije uri muri beshya cyane
Relax.
tuza asiya gusa hano natangiye kumva turi mu mugenzo w'iby'intekerezo kwihorera ntabwo zijya bihagarika ntibikira ngo kwihorera ntibizijya bihagarara
Did you say something to me?
wumve muri ekuteri kwihorera ntibizigera bihagarara ariko se ari mu ngoma yumviramo andi majwi
Say something?
sheri umbwiye ngo iki
What?
njyewe
I
nayego
thought I heard something.
Mbana ibintu numvise ko simbi ntiyabyitaho subizamo ekuteri yumvira muri ekuteri uri hehe hagarara mbere yuko umwijima mwinshi ariko se aje ibintu ndi kumva uri kubyumva cyangwa
There's someone trying to call me or
ndakeka ari umuntu urimo aragenda kumpamagara cyangwa akubwira ibintu
What?
akubwira ibikize
What am I trying to hear? I don't hear anything.
kise kuntu ibintu numva ko nabyumva ko numvamo ingoma
What?
Brandon sheri yego niki umukobwa agira amakoba nangiye kumva ibintu bidahari nako ntacyo hari ikivuga kuri muri ibintu bidahari bakakugira umusazi uwa mbere yaboneye mu ikirahure undi aruka inyo uwa gatatu muri twarete subizamo ekuteri umwicanyi yumva amajwi bimumena amatwi
or something?
sheri umuzamuriye volume cyangwa
On it or something? Jesus!
umenya amatwi mariyemo volume agize gutya kuri ekuteri hazaho amaraso mumumenya amatwi sheri utangiye kunkanga abantu utangiye kuntera ubwoba sheri amatwi aramenetse avamo amaraso sheri arangije subizana ekuteri gira amakoba ibiri muri indege nanjye ko mubibona niko mbibona bagahatinze uyu nawe hakuno wa mukobwa Alice nawe akora mu ndege ari muri cabin crew
Captain,
What the? Alice, there's procedure for a reason. You can't
Alice nukinjana imbere utabanje kutubwira jya ubanza utumenyeshe
just be on the ground.
amasaha atatu asigaye
what I'm worried about.
hari ibintu byamangayikishije
All worried about?
ndahangayitse pe
We're losing this flight.
iyi ndege ishobora kuba yatwaye ihomba
I need you to take control.
ndashaka mukotore buri kintu cyose ibyo mbabarira gato
So far, we've had a lightning storm.
ndabona inkuba ari nyinshi tubonye ibiryo byaboze abantu bapanitse abantu batangiye guta umutwe
I don't know what this is, but
hano ntabwo ibintu bisanzwe ntabwo bisanzwe pe bakivuga ntabwo bisanzwe akivuga ntabwo bisanzwe indege tayari umukobwa ari gafite ingingo
I need you to calm.
nyene Alice nkeneye ko mutuza nta kindi
It's a rough flight, but you've been doing
ni
this.
urugendo rubi rw'indege ariko nyine nta kundi
All right, I don't know what's
nta ngaruka mbere byabaye umuntu atwaye indege
problem is, but I can't be back
sinzi ikibazo gihari gusa kiraza gukemuka
can to keep us in the air.
yeah.
aha turimo nakora ibishobora kugenda indege igume mu kirere cyane
You're doing a great job. It's just
cyane muragiza kuba nakora akazi kanjye neza nawe n'ubu bintu ncanganyikishe ugerageze rwose twubahane Alice ihangane ariko subira inyuma udacanganyikisha umupayiroti
look. I'm trying to be a hard ass here. It's just
nimugerageze gutuma mfunga umutwe
this flight with
nziko turi bicemo
drink.
uko buri muntu akomeza kukubwira ibyo akubwira niko ucanganyikirwa kurushaho Alice subira inyuma kumbe n'uyu nawe utwaye indege urebe payiroti urimo urabibona ra
See what?
atangira kubona ibintu bidahari mbona ibikisi
That.
biriya ni ibiki wana
Up there in the clouds.
reba ariya mu bicu umwana
Birds?
ni inyoni cyangwa
That's impossible, Bert.
ntabwo bishoboka ahantu indege iri abari inyoni
In the world?
ntabwo ibyo bintu byabaho. Pilot wiga akazi agatangira kubona ibintu bidahari. Inyoni muri iki kirere kireshya gutya bariya ni abantu mbona cyangwa
What are you talking about?
mwana bavuga ibiki Captain?
See anything?
You're not seeing this?
Mwana ngiye kubona gusa cyane abantu mbona bagenda.
Christ!
Yesu Kristo. Tangira gutitira sasa pilot. Agize gutya birabura.
You want me to take over for a minute?
Mwana wavuyeho gato yanga banwaye ukabugiye ku ruhande.
Break might do you some good, maybe some coffee.
Umukorera gakaba gashyushye.
Break shit.
Umva nago nasase bana.
Bottle of water, please, Alice.
Zanira amazi Alice rata, zanira amazi. Ayiro twabyise umunaniro. Bamushakira gakaba cyangwa amazi.
There's no shame in being exhausted. It's
Ushake kunanirwa nta gisebo kirimo. Ni ibintu biba kuri buri muntu ariko biba byiza. Mwana ameze neza bana.
scared.
Je byemeze neza.
Yeah, me too.
Bafite ubwoba nanjye ubwoba ndabufite.
Yeah, maybe a little.
We narufite bucye ariko ndabufite.
I don't know, something's not right.
Ariko icyo nsiyo ko ibintu bitameze neza muri iyi ndege.
Right.
Ndimo ndabyiyumvisha ntabwo ibintu bimeze neza muri iyi ndege.
Okay.
Kuri muratitira cyane se. Natitira gusa se ko ndimo natitira binarenze.
Notice a sign. I guess I just get a lot on my mind.
Ngana ni byinshi bifite mu mutwe wanjye. Rangije. Heba yero tamuzanira amazi.
Thanks.
Akira kamata maji. Amuhereza n'amazi.
What'd you see?
Ye ubonye iki? Subiramo ibintu wabonye. Yewe ntabwo mbizi. Anywa amazi. Yabanje kubona ngo ibinyoni ngo abona abantu bagenda mu kirere. Bajya ngo bezi biri kumuvuduka uri hejuru cyane. Tayari. Amazi hano haratangiye kuva amazi. Indege sirava. Nibati. Urebe. Ubwo yabanje kumeneka amatwi. Arangije aza karungu muri we. Karungu zimwongoza guhaguruka. Arahindukira bopoto urebe. Hey! Sihora mwansabaga mwicare. Nawe byari ibintu warabwiri. Hey! Bitandatu ntago ari menshi. Umukobwa azahizemo karungu. Ndege. Umukobwa akomeza imbere. Ibyo murora nanjye nibyo mbona. Kagakobwa gakaye muri cabin crew para mu ndege kamuturuka imbere. Amuco nkuta mureba ariko se. Uyu muntu ari marageye. Akomeza he? Urebe. Akomeza zaho ba pilot bari. Kumana manigara kunajya betafite tuntu dukoresho. Maniga bafite inyanga ziwe nabakingira bwa bwiherero. Arangije.
Make sure this stays open, okay?
Making sure ko uyu muryango utawufunga. Urumva? Making sure ko nta ntafunga. Maniga bafite n'amagini yiwe y'inkwere.
Danny.
Sheri Dani. Danieli. Abantu bitwa ba Daniela. Musara wa Danieli, umukobwa wa Daniela. Maniga arangije. Kanekinire game Ebyinza kumbe mugenzi Sheri yari yamoye agafoto ko muri kografi ari purenya aratwite ire purenya haje nubonye ayo iri yarafiyemere Sankara nabwe ngibyo mbonye bahungu we binganya gupfusha imbye yiye kubitara ya magini yiwe yinywera igini ryiwe daimoni aho tripara bugotomera indege yimira vangi batirishaje kiri wanje aratwite ariko yabona ikintu atwite kimeze nk'araganga kumuntu Brandon
What?
Yeche ariko ndumva nameze neza Sheri.
What's going on?
Ishijya mbere se.
Would you think it was weird if I thought there was something else on this flight?
hari ibintu mbona ngiye mubwire ariko cyushani cyo mashije kubona cyo iyi ndege ifite ibibazo. Ndege ifite ibibazo.
Is it like your Frankenstein thing?
Urutangiye kubona bya bintu wabona guri mutoya bidahari. Oh yeah.
I'm not following.
Ntago nkurikiye rwose.
Danny. Hey.
Danny sheri. Mukobwa.
Are you okay?
Sheri meze neza.
Do you have aspirin?
Waba ufite aspirin or the painkillers?
I think there's some in my carry-on.
Ndashaka biri mu gikapu cyanjye. Banze ngurebere. Afunguye. Hey! Ari cyamufashe. Hey! Hey! Mukobwa yikubita hasi. Kwikubita hasi. Abona ari mu mizigo hasi. Hey! Yibona ari mu mizigo mbere ye. Umwicanyi the killer. Hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege. Mudamu utwita busa nkaho yabyaye ariko ataragira ngo uhureho. Ataragenya. Hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege. Hari umwicanyi muri iyi ndege. Ahwereye nibwo yagarutse hakuno ubwonko. Hey! Iriya setinire zini ndege. Ki setini ndege usanga harimo setini bazimu.
You're fine.
Kene gifaransa na imvuzo. Cyari meze neza. Iriya setini ndege pariske vraiment donc. Hey! Chara hakuno.
It's alright. What happened?
Tuza sheri. Jakure yanjye. Uzana amazi vuba.
There's nothing there.
Nta kintu kiriyo.
There's nothing there.
Kifasha kabako kiramfashe.
Look.
Iriya setini daimoni.
How about you two quit freaking everybody out? We're not trying to
murakomeza kukanga abantu kugeza ryari?
Freak anybody.
Umugore arimo arakanga abantu. Batangira mwitongana mwana.
In fact, it's making
Ibintu mudatwemera nabi. Nimba ari kibaye mwibitonganamo.
to calm her down.
Ndimo nagereza kuba naturisha umugore wanjye nawe winyasamaho. Uruvumerewe neza cyane. Mogaki ubonye ikisi?
Woman, I think.
Mbonye umugore ndakeka.
Dead in the bin, stuffed in there.
Rwose nabona ngaza muri mu myanda. Ariko arameze nk'uwapfuye. Yashatse kumfata.
And I know there's nothing there, but
Kuzanizwa nta kintu cyari cyabuza.
so real.
Umva ari ibyanyabyo.
I believe you.
Ndakwizera ntago urasaze.
Something's going on here. We just need to find out what.
Uko biri kose muri ndege hari ikibazo kirimo dukeneye ko twamenye cyari cyo.
Sure.
Wowe meze neza ra?
Yeah, I think so.
Ndakeka gatangiye kumererwa neza.
I promise, I just don't know.
Ndabasezanye n'ibirema mbonye umugore utwite usanga yabyare gataragira.
You really don't want to go to the bathroom.
Nanjye ibyo byarabonye ni muri bathroom. Sandro bayize umusazi bwa mbere.
Oh, great. Mr. Crazy Man's awake.
Nabona wa wundi mwese umusazi yakangutse.
Look, please don't say it, okay?
Nongere gusakuza mukecuru.
This on this plane.
Atajyonja avuga ko ana umuntu rwose ikiye mu ndege.
Mr. Marshall.
Nyakuba Marshall. Ngwino hano tuvugane.
Why don't we just tie her ass to a chair?
Kuki abantu nk'aba batanganje mutabahambirira ku ndege? Bahambire ndi. Bamwiterana amagambo mwiterana amagambo. Nta mpamvu yo guhangayika munsi mutuze.
I just don't understand.
Ntabwo mbyumva.
I don't understand what's going on.
Ntabwo nizeye biri kujya mbere muri iyi ndege.
Look, nobody knows what's going on.
Natwe ntabwo tuzi biri kujya mbere muri iyi ndege.
But the one thing that I do know is that
Gusa nzi nuko ari kimwe.
I trust the man with the badge.
Njye ndizera umugabo ufite badge y'umusirikare. Mureka akora akazi ke. Afite n'imbunda ariko.
A lot of crazy unseen shit going on.
Hari umwana uri kugera mbere muri iyi ndege ataramenya uwo ari wo. Utangwa ku mugore mubona nyina gwasaze. Batangira gupfa umugore mwana mwatuje ariko.
We're families, just like everybody in this place.
Nta mugabo ukunda umuntu umuvugira ku mugore cyangwa kuvuga ku muryango we. Ntabwo ushota ndariko. Ntabwo muri abana mwicare mutuze mwembi. Ndavuze ngishara hasi. Oya amasho anatanga itegeko.
I need everyone
on
their shoulders.
Nese dufite ibibazo natwe duhuriyeho twese.
Stay calm, okay?
Mureke dutuze sibyo?
I don't think it's terrorism.
Ntacyanga atari ikihebe.
Stop using that word. That word just...
Mureke gukoresha iryo jambo. Mudakomeza kukangana abandi benshi.
Whoa, what are we?
Ese usanzwe umva.
Express ourselves.
Cyangwa cyangwa tuya muri Korea y'Amajyaruguru. Naho so uri seriye cyangwa?
I'm sorry. I'm not usually this much of an asshole.
Ibintu byandambiye rwose ntabwo byumva.
Hey!
We umva.
It's scary when the plane malfunctions. It is.
Bitera ubwo bindege itarimo iragenda neza.
We are people who do this for a living. So let us do our job and we will be fine.
Mureke twihangana nk'abantu bataye umutwe mureke tukore ibintu ku murongo turaza kumera neza.
See, it's exactly what I was saying. A malfunction.
Naye ibyo navugaga indege ishobora gufite ikibazo.
Gas leak, loss of cabin pressure.
Wasanga amavuta yamenetse cyangwa ikindi. Nta kintu navuze.
be okay?
hanya dusigaje tengana nyuma shike muri New York.
Just gonna be a couple more hours, okay?
Na amasaha makeya tugiye kwagera.
Would you please check in with the captain, make sure all the...
Bagenda be captain umubwe ko ari ikintu adufasha atubwira amasaha asigaye.
What do you think's going on here?
We are losing electricity.
Umuriro urimo agerukiye kuraho. Umuriro ukagaruka. Abantu baragenda bakabona bibara ahandi. Ibyo nagara ibintu biri mechanical. Wasanga ari ibintu biri demonic. Cyangwa spiritual.
We're still in the air.
Turasari mu kirere mwana urumva.
Fantastic,
byiza.
They that knows what the hell they're doing.
Hey,
shit.
Bivuze ngo nawe uzi bijya mbere.
You keep talking.
Nubwo tutazi bijya mbere biba byiza wafungura umunwa rwawe kuri umunwa urimo abangamira abantu.
Keep your mouth shut.
Funga umunwa nabyana kunaniye uryame. Shut the fuck up.
I'm so sorry about all this.
Babareje bwaburi kimwe waya nta kibazo bebe.
Don't be sorry, okay?
Mama mvuye kunyaka imbabazi byo.
Do anything wrong.
Nta kintu kibakoze.
I don't know what's happening.
Nanjye sinzi biri kumbaho.
To take the aspirin?
Bafashe tunini.
I wouldn't.
Don't worry, sweetheart.
Mwana wanjye ntuhangayike mwana wanjye.
But if there is a major malfunction while we're in the air during a storm...
Erega iyo habaye ikibazo nk'icyo turi mu bihe nk'ibi ngibi. Hano habura ahantu bigira abanyira ndabizi mu ndege. Ari n'ubwa mbere yigenzemo. Bakira aho maniga ahambiririye hakuno.
Check for problems on the ground.
Look, has the captain mentioned anything about when and where we're gonna land?
Yes, captain, yaba yavuze ni turi burandinge ni ryari turi burandinge.
At this point, trying to land in this. We're safer up here.
Atano turi rwose aratekanye. Umbuko baraho.
Excuse me?
Munyihanganire.
What about the storm?
Naho se ikintu kire kimeze gutya. Turagicamo kugeza ryari. Umbuko bavuga. Urebe.
Tracking with us.
Excuse me.
Yewe.
It's not electrical.
Nage cyaza ari cy'umuriro. Bakiraho. Bakiri mu ndege. Bari mu ndege abona. Bayiti urumva. Rambo kalambo. None bakabonera rimwe. Oh. Bana babibonera rimwe. Hey. Ngo bavere bafata kumbunda ariko. Sema kantu kakoba. Babone mayiti cyarimwe. Irangije etonga urutoki imbere. Atunga imbere. Yaba. Yarasakuje. Irangije arabura. Muzi murabura. Muzi murabura. Oya tangira kwirukanga. Muzi muzirabura.
We need to do an emergency.
Ubare ikintu kiri emergency. Mutagana murandinga. Ibi ni byanyabyo. Ibiki byanyabyo. Ntabwo twarandinga na rose turabanyije bari kunasi ku kibuga cy'indege.
Alice, what's going on?
Alice, nibiki byambere. Umuzimu uri mu ndege, indege yafashwe n'abazimu.
Again with this?
Aho umukobwa yasaze cyangwa. Ntabwo indege yaba haunted.
We're all tired.
No.
Ndabisura rushe.
Where do you need to?
Mugerageze mu nyuma mutakana murandinga indege. Kubera ko abazimu bari muri indege. Ndabingize mutakana mu pariki indege. Nandi mutaka mu ipora mare muje mu yibandike. Ariko mutaka ko mu bandike indege. Mbasheri wihangayika. Doshige minota 95. Ubwo ni sana 35.
Here, Jeopardy.
Indege mwayibanditse mu bandike indege mutaka mu pariki. Ntabwo indege bayiparikira randinga.
Storm's been on it since takeoff.
Storm imeze nabi ntacyo twagufasha. Nandi twaja.
Would you listen to yourself?
Hebi n'umukobwa arimo arabana indege yabaye haunted.
Superstitious.
Bakiraha arukinjiye muri uyu. Wa undi Jacques. Ubwo kwihorera for revenge atanyavana n'amagambo.
What did you say?
Avo mwishinja. Ahambura umukandara. Ryan subiza umukandara bana. Ryan. Kwihorera revenge. Yatakutwaye. Sasa rangara atakuwa usigaye atwaye. Beba filime sasa. Beba indege iritwara. Tayari. Inde. Beba filime. Bitana tunangani menshi. Tayari. Beba indege iracurama. Beba indege iracurama. Abazimu bateye indege. Beba filime sasa. Nakubwira cyari mideya. The one and only. Umwite da premiere. Kuri YouTube yacu acha ibiganiro biryoshye. Isakara indege. Indege dore ngo yitwara. Reba kajagari mu ndege. Ryan ndekura. Ryan yabaye Ryan. Ryan akanda maso. Kaga tereka Alice. Indege dore ngo iracurama. Ona ndege sasa. Ona ndege. Vitu viko hapa. Misi bijuwe lakini ibintu bimezambe. Ibintu byazambye we. Tayari. Manika baye haunted. Paundi wa air marshal. Yaraje aramufata. Yanarwa no gutunganya indege. Ndege asubiza ku murongo ariko sinzi. Ya filime sasa. Hey. Utaryo binagasobanye wajya kuri YouTube ukareba ibiganiro byacu biryoshye cyane kuri YouTube channel yacu twitwa Sankarada Premier nibe gukora subscribe.
No.
Yeah.
We lost it when the plane lost power.
Ndege bwa mbere yabuze umuriro dutumutwe ariko bitangiye kuzamba. Bigenze bitese. Ari cyamwicometse. Amaso yarabaye umukara rongera atungana arahwera. Tayari. Hey. Ay we mana. Mana. Shidi. Hey. Nakubwiye YouTube channel yacu yitwa Sankarada Premier. Tayari. Kora subscribe. Munatange comment utubwire ibyifuzo byawe ibyo ushaka ko tugukorera. Ryan umbabarire.
I don't know what the hell we just saw, but something's definitely wrong. We agree.
Ati mwabantu mwasinze ikintu twabonye nakibonye nawe mwakibonye ariko sinzi cyari cyo nababwira cyo iyi ndege harimo ikibazo.
On that, right?
Kanezera kumwese ariko mubyemeza. Bose bakiboneye rimwe. Iyi ndege ifite ikibazo.
I mean, you said there's something physically wrong with the plane, right?
No, not anything that's going to cause hallucinations or visions.
Kuko biri kose ikintu kiri muri iyi ndege kimwe cyatuma none ibintu bidahari bakabona ibintu bidahari.
I don't know what would cause us to see the things we saw.
None se turamenya icyateye bino bintu turimo turabona ari igiki.
Okay, well, let's start from the beginning.
Kaduhera byatangiriye.
Storm started soon after takeoff. Pre-check was fine. Luggage was.
Turumva inkubi y'umuyaga y'ikirere yatangiye twamariye gupakira ibintu ariko tukiri kujya dupakira imizigo. Ibintu byari bimeze neza.
Mr. Peck in 25A.
Rwose twamaze guhaguruka.
Mr. Peck, he claimed that he saw something not.
Uriya musore Peck yavuze ko abonye ibintu bidasanzwe. Bavuga ko ngo yanyweye bya kitapimpa marijuana.
Off and then he got.
Agiye mu bwiherero nabwo yabonye ibintu bidahari.
I know what I saw in the bathroom was.
Nanjye nabonye muri bathroom byari ibyanyabyo. Narebye muri miruwari mbona umugore utwite. Utari kubona ikintu cy'umura ataragenya.
I couldn't get the door unlocked.
Nibwo umuryango wananze gufunguka.
It felt like it was being held from the inside.
Ikibazo kirimo indani rero.
Oh, I mean, there's nothing physically.
Ariko rwose indani nta kintu kiri physically.
We lost power and we fell.
And then the food was spoiled.
Wasanga cyagiye umuriro wagendaga ari ibintu byamenetse.
Earbuds.
Njye numvisha umudamu arimo arasakuriza muri ekuteri zanjye ambwira ngo umwicanye ngo kwihorera ngo bikomeze asakuza cyane.
Scream what?
Asakuza avuga ngo iki?
At first it was whispers.
Bwa mbere abanje kumeze nk'uvugiriza. Uriya sakuru yongera.
Said murder.
Akajya avuga mada ubwicanyi.
That's when my phone stopped working.
Nibwo telefone zarekeye gukora.
Mine too.
Naye telefone yanjye yavuyeho. Narezi kari yanjye gusa kumene zanyu zavuyeho.
Screen.
Ye screen yanjye yabanje gukwama.
A sonogram.
A what?
Cyangwa ni sonogram.
Can you take pictures of babies?
Jenani mbona ifoto y'umubebe uri mu nda.
You're a pregnant lady?
Mbona umugore utwite.
And then Ryan going crazy and attacking Jack.
Nuko bantu batajya guserera Ryan yataka Jack. Umuzimu winjiye muri Ryan.
And murder on the outside of your window.
We murebe hanze. Muhanda kwiza cyangwa mbona kwanditseho ngo mada. Ubwicanyi. Nakubwicanyi.
So, what are we looking for?
Ubu rero tukibaza turashaka iki?
Start.
Turatangirira he?
From around here somewhere.
Ko biri kose ibintu biri hano mu ndege.
Well, it all started in the front of the plane.
Ako biri kose byatangiriye mu ndege.
But I already checked the bathroom though.
And we've been up there most of the flight.
Tukibaza na mbere yuko indege yaguruka byagenze bite?
That wouldn't explain the phones or the overhead bins.
Turibose amatelefoni yabanje kwama mbere ya byose.
Or what happened in the cockpit.
Hanyuma sandi byagenze bite? Mwana twaraburije.
Guys, okay, listen. We just need to find the source to what.
Ukeneye kuba twamenya source ya ibintu byatangiriye.
The hell is going on right now?
Umbano Ryan yarakangutse.
Ryan
yarakangutse. Ryan eba muhambiri. Yewe ndi yeki.
That's on purpose, kid.
Mwana mutiyangane.
You attacked Jack.
Watatse Jacques mugenzi wawe.
Crazy.
Hanyuma mwana wari wasaze.
We know why would I do that?
Mwana niyo mpamvu satuma nataka mugenzi wanjye. Ntago heroin cyari kikurimo. Ntago reba mwatatse.
for all of us, but there
iri joro ryatubereye ribi kuri twese
has to be a perfectly reasonable
ariko uko biri kose hari impamvu ituma tubona ibintu bidahari tubona abazimu
explanation for all of
dukeneye rero umuntu adusobanurira ibirya ni biki
Many places to look.
dusaka indege yose rero
If not the cabin,
wasanga atari hano wasanga ari ababika imizigo
what else is there?
wasanga harimo nk'ibintu bya nyabingi bapakiye mu ndege birimo biratuzonga
And now we have that word written on his window.
ibintu byatangiriyemo indani none tubonye ijambo ryanditse ku kirahure
Yeah, but we can't check outside in the wing right now.
ntabwo twajya hanze y'idirishya ibibazo biri mu ndege ndani wawundi wa masho
Is there anything on board that's out of the ordinary?
mwareka tukareba ibintu mwapakiye mu ndege byose
Nothing that I know of.
ibyo ntacyo mbiziho
Special packages from museums, no
none se nta bintu mwapakiye nk'ibintu bya kera baba bimura muri mize
dead soldiers being transported.
urabona nko muri mize hari igihe baba bafite nk'amagufwa y'abantu bapfuye ibintu by'utubindi bacuraguriragamo
Home from Afghanistan.
ibintu byavuye muri Afghanistan
What do you say?
uravuga ibikisi
I mean, objects could be conduit for spirits.
bashobora kuba barafashe nk'ibintu byabaga muri mize y'ahantu bifite imyuka mibi byikoreye
Okay, maybe there's
bakabishyira mu ndege ikabihura n'ikibazo
Okay, so if there's nothing on the manifest, what
niba nta kintu twabonye dupakira ibintu mu ndege kuri manifest
What were you saying?
harya wavugaga ngo iki
When?
iki
When you said you fell through the floor, where did you go?
harya igihe wikubitaga hasi uri mu bwiherero wagiye hehe
The cargo hold, I think. Why?
nabonye hamwe hapakira imizigo none nibonye nicudutse ndi kubera
I saw that too.
nanjye ibyo nabibonye ubwo nikubitaga hasi
Back against the seat.
nabonye nikubita imbere yaho nari nicaye ariko nkabona ndi ahantu mu mizigo bebe
There was someone there, and
ubwo nikubitaga hasi nabonye hari umuntu wari undi iruhande
I felt like they needed my help.
ariko nabonaga bonasa n'abakeneye ubufasha bwanjye kombe dore ganja puranta
Bran, there's something happened.
uwo muntu uburyo yavugaga asa nkaho hari ikintu kibi cyamubayeho something bad
We have to go down there.
abo tujya hasi aho babika imizigo
Having visions of
kuko hari impamvu twese turimo turabona ibintu bimwe kandi tukabona ibintu bidahari twese tukanagwa hasi tukisanga turi ahantu hamwe
the luggage.
mu mizigo rata mu mizigo ngo bajye mu mizigo
Speak up.
ngaho vuga
The luggage.
mu mizigo
I don't know what's going on, but
sinzi ibiri kujya mbere gusa
it isn't going to solve anything.
iki kibazo ntabwo kiri bwishe mu ntoki ubwacyo
He said we
tugomba kujya mu mizigo
ourselves.
tubyibonere afande ntunkubite
Something to do with this. You are in a big world of hurt. Do you understand?
warwane ngasanga hari ibintu wakoze biri mu mizigo bifite aho bihuriye n'ibibazo turimo urahura n'akaga
How?
gute se nabikora
You tied me and put me.
mamirira mu ntebe nazateje ibibazo mambiriye
Cut him loose.
muhambure umusore ararengana twamuhambire tuzi ko ari umusazi ariko turabona ko ari ikibazo rusange
Bathroom.
Miss, would you happen to have any scissors? Please.
ati nacyo muzanira umukasi turebe ko hari ukuntu twamuhambura bamuhereza umukasi zana umukasi hakuno
Don't make me regret this.
wacyana udatuma nicuza kuba ngiye kugwambura uretse ntabwo uri bwicuze bana ishimwe
Okay. Here's what's gonna happen next.
rero mwumva ibikurikira
We're gonna go back to your seats.
bantu mwese musubire mu myanya yanyu
I'm sorry.
hari abari bujye hasi barebe iyo mizigo
Go down to cargo.
mba nta muntu wemerewe ko yajya mu mizigo
Do you want this to come to an end or not? Because I got
hasi wa mukobwa ko muzangu kujya mu mizigo ushaka ibintu birangiye cyane n'ibirangire
cover all my bases here.
dukeneye kuba twamenya ibintu byatangiriye
I'm going with you.
tujya turajyana sheri
Not going with me.
ni ahantu uri bujye
No. It was speaking to me.
igice dayimoni twavuganye nakibonye
Couldn't sit up here and wait for someone
ntabwo nakujyana ngo nagenda ngo kiri bugaruke ngo kinzongo
else to figure it out.
ngenda ajyayo ngo bakome cyari cyo ndagenda
You're not going.
naho ujya rero nawe ndagenda
It's far. Let's get back to my wife and my.
nanjye nawe naninjiye muri iyi ndege kugira ngo nsange umuryango wanjye aho uri n'umugore wanjye ntabwo rero wambwira ngo hari ikibazo ngo sinyigemo
Then I'm gonna help you. I have your 6 men.
mwana njye nkuri inyuma I have your 6
Doing my job right now.
ndimo nakora akazi kanjye nkanjye amasho
You stay here,
sheri guma hano
and I'm gonna go with the marshal.
reka njyane na ba masho
Please stop.
yese murekere munkurikire kwanza munkurikire bave mu byo guharira ibintu byandagenda urasigara baragenda abahamagara bose bakiraho ni amajwi mwumvara baza nabo baca bajya mu mizigo
You guys are gonna have to be quick.
You can't see me.
Nizere ko ibyo mukora mbikora vuba vuba.
Strong enough.
Mugire vuba mwihute gusa. Okay. Fata gatoroshi. Naruja mwumva ruborogara. Nta kintu mwumvishe. Umve. Mwana rirakaza muzangira mu bandi ibyo nikira.
Baby.
Numvishe inkuru ry'umwana. Ndani. Ndasa nabona amaraso menshi.
Guys, what's happening?
Gene bikira.
I thought I saw something, but it's gone.
Bonye ikintu kimeze nk'aho inda yavuyemo. Bonye ibintu bidasanzwe. Yagize gucyara ngo nabuye ariko se. Mbere yabo. Hey.
It's bad.
Ibintu bibi cyane. Data we. Hey. Forosha ariko. Barabona ibintu bidahari. Maneke jya gucumuna. Urasa ngaho yabyaye. Nangije. Abana no America code. Kurikiza amaso.
Yeah, Austin, you wanna grab that?
Kirimo kirajya mu bikapu komeza imbere. Baje mu bikapu. Harimo ikindanira.
Guys?
Babandi. Babona mu dufoto twinshi tw'abakobwa. Bagiye bapfa. Babonamo inyundo.
That's blood.
Binikira. Ana amaraso gusa. Babonamo ibintu bimeze nk'aho.
Typical serial killer.
Banza rumwicanyi ruharwa kabisa.
What?
Harimo na za souvenir. Harimo n'imisatsi.
Hey, her.
Mafoto agiye atandukanye.
Where's the woman that ran towards us and disappeared?
Hasi umugore watwatagara hehe.
Holy Mary, Mother of God, that's
Bana nyagasani bikira Mariya wi.
Bag belongs to someone on the plane.
Uko biri rwose igikapu ni cy'umuntu urimo hano mu ndege.
Okay, whose bag is this?
Yaba ari uwe mwicanyi rero. Igikapu ni icyande. Sasa buri gikapu ku kibuga cy'indege bashyira ka etikete kandi cy'amazina ya nyiri igikapu ndetse na nimero ya passport. Ntabwo bishoboka. Ntabwo bishoboka kumbe pilot yako. Pilot ko twaye. Pilot ari kurya naseka. Pilot yarariwe arabaje hakuno. Babonye aka etikete bumwashyira kuri manifest. Kanyiri igikapu bazana n'igikapu. Who that? Iki gikapu cyuzuyemo udufoto tw'abakobwa bagiye bicwa benshi. Babicaga bafotora. Baca mu baturage. Bombe Ryan nawe hafungiye. Kwa pilot. Banagana urukapu. Wakomeje gucika usanga utazi bijya mbere. Mba mwakaye mwo bahano hano ntwarira indege masho.
I don't know if you've noticed, but I'm flying this plane by myself.
Yo mama biziko ntwaye indege nijye na mwakaye muza guteza akavuyo. Iri jone rire.
This right here.
Nago rema turi hano.
Do what?
Uzimamvu turi hano. Bavana yo bwabo foto. Abana abagore wishe cyangwa.
Murdered.
Jenishe. Arabasika.
Murdered.
Jenishe.
You serious?
Manu seriya cyangwa.
You what?
Wewe bivuga umuntu umwanda.
That?
Ahubwo imbwira nabi.
Whatever you think's going on.
Akazi ndimo nibiri kujya ntabwo ubibona.
But I'm sure you know protocol.
Hano urimo kuza protocol.
I'm not gonna be able to follow protocol right now.
Ntabwo baje kwakurya protocol ko ntabwo nibwo gahenge.
What is this?
Nabano bantu bari mu ndege ntabwo gahenge.
Just on the ground.
Reka banze ngere hasi.
Wait till we're on the ground. No.
Reka banze ndandinga indege tonde uje guserera.
Where did you get these?
Ibi wabikuye he? Amafuta yabona bana abakobwa ba.
What is this?
Bana nyaga ibi nicyo ariko.
What's wrong with you people? I don't know.
Ntabwo mwasaze cyangwa.
Lie to me. What did you do?
Wimbesha.
What did you do to her face?
Bano bana mwabona bishe cyangwa.
Women in these photographs are the same women.
Aya mafoto turimo turajya tubona. Nibo bana abantu barimo baragenda babona muri iyi ndege.
In your bag.
Ubundi ne gutama amafoto yageze mu gikapu cyawe niba atari ibyawe. Jack. Captain.
These are my.
Naga amafoto yanjye. Kare munyezeri.
The truth.
Uri murabeshya cyangwa batakumbunda. Maniga. Nani nachurika indege? Churika indege bature. Dupfane za chindi zibaruke. Dore ngara iporomora bugare. Dore ngara iporomora butosho. Aya. Tayari? Dore ngindege iracurama. Aya katurore. arari kinje muri kananga mugire vuba mwihorere afata n'undi muntu tayari Diamond yije muri kananga Diamond yije muri kamananga ati kwihorera agiye kumukubita Diamond muvamo indege na Diamond imuvamo yicomeka mu wundi Diamond imeva mu rugo yicomeka mu wundi revenge kwihorera tayari nawe mucomokamo Diamond yicomeka muri mwana wabona mamagi tayari nawe arashaka ko yica kwihorera araborogeje muri kwihorera Diamond muvamo yinwanga mu mukobwa raka kwihorera sasa yakatana indege Diamond muvamo iza hakuno irakomeza yinwanga muri kagakobwa ka Daniela afata piloti bana piloti yarisha abakobwa benshi yateraga amadaka bivugana aya katurore anagaka Alice ku ruhande akawe kashobotse ndege iracurama Bise Flight 666 anacyari midaya da premier for really GT Business Group AGT.net aya tayari ndege unda kure oya yarajafata indege oya atangira guhangana n'uyu mushyira hasi barayimutunga oya arwana n'indege Ryan arwana n'indege Ryan yagaruye Kenji barongeye subiza mu nzira mugenzi we yagahwereye Daniela
Come on.
Sheri mbanza sheri bitagenze neza
What happened?
bigenze bite arapfuye cyangwa arangije amuvana yamuzana hakuno muhambiri mugabo sinzi yakoze ibiki
I swear.
ndarahira ntacyo nakoze
Save it.
ahubwo ugabanya amagambo tuze ndege tayari indege yaje mu mugaga indege yaje mu mugaga kome manega ashaka kwihambura
What did you do?
wakoze ibiki
Don't know what you're talking about.
ntago ibyo uvuga
Yeah, I got it. I got you.
rekura umudamu wa Brandon ajya gufasha undi mugenzi
Tell me what you did!
dore byakoze ntacyo nakoze ayivanayo ahubwo umva ngubwire
Now I will end you where you sit.
ndashaka umbwira ibyo wakoze cyangwa urasira hano wicaye
Nothing I did matters, okay?
ibyo nakoze nta gaciro bifite Austin
Hey, none of it matters. You're gonna
ntago ari ngombwa
get killed.
mwese reka n'ubundi murapfa
Hey, come on.
Not everyone.
ntago twese turi bupfe bro ntago twese tukapfa hejuru yawe nawe uri bupfe wenyine ndege birongera birazamba mugabo arangije yivuga nawe undi wa US Marshal arwana no kwihambura arimo aragenda atarabuja dore umuzimu ngo uravayo uteruye akana mu ntoki byagenze bite dore maniga ngo aratitira ndakunyuze rekera arangije ntabwo wabikora impande zose ni abakobwa gusa ntabwo amakosa ari ayanjye bwa mbere ntabwo nari mbigamije bwa mbere byari impanuka bwa kabiri byabaye binungwe kumva abakobwa yagiye atera abakobwa mada baza kumbwira ko batwite akabivugana
I was scared the first time.
nari mfite ubwoba bwa mbere ntabwo nari niteguye kuba nabyara indani muri jye ukabivuga abo yicishije inyunda abo yateraguye ibyuma abo yakase imisatsi ya misatsi babonye mu gikapu bwari bikene abo yiciye muri pisine ni Jack nani gute nibyo byahagarara ndabinginze
I'm sorry, please.
ndabinginze bakobwa nkasa niko nabihagarika ndabinginze mubabarire nta kintu nakoze ndakora buri kimwe abo yateye inda bakashaka kubazikuramo n'iki bose bamuterurira abana baramuhereza agize gutya kumbe yivuyemo tangije wa mugabo we aya masho batangira guserera batangira kurwanira imbunda abaturage bose bamenya ukuri yarayemo aravuga kumena n'umuzimu wari uhari Bukarage Brandon nabaza gufasha Brandon sheri fata ikigabo kirakomeye kimutunga imbunda bararwana ariko kirakomeye barwanira kabunda Jacques arakomeye Birana msenzi we afata Daniela byose na makosa yanyu mwabasenzi mwe akiraho aragangarara tangira kumva amajwi y'abana mu matwi dore umburusa kungo rwaza ari rwinshi dore bose ngo barameneka amatwi akiraho inyuma sheri mon bébé sheri oh sheri yamumenya amatwi biramusakuriza bana batangira kugarura ubwenge maniga rangije cyafashe ikiganza cyitonze yitonze kurwananwa saya ufa bas maniga yamaze kurasa abantu nawe abona umuzimu we yibona amubo yishe batangira kubona umurambo we tangira kugiramo ubwoba ariko nubundi nawe yamaze kugerayo yamaze kugera mu bazimu Renguriya mu kirere yaka
Everybody please,
Bese mwifate abashoboye mwicare mwambira umukanza byakomeye rangije bambara emisentiri renge ikiri kibuga AFK Center ni leje Japan US 57 elimiraza hano nukuyiparika ayari Zimbabwe hano ni puemo San Vitesse hano ayari giriya mu mujyi bareka nabi tu ari ibintu ubona ukabona ko genda igonga iminara Brandon ndagufite I got you I got you arya ngo I got you na gacu ari maravuga ni I got you ni cyongereza ajya tumvikana muri cyaba America Seri I got you nawe ndege cyana matara cyana maremare cyane zindi ziri mu nzani zibona hari kibaye ziba bazisha ku ruhande mwifate hano tangira gusenga ati yaba yapareka yarandikaga Nyabarongo ayare ayirot parikingi mbaya. Chabita crashing. Highway! 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 Deja yaran! Ah! Dani! Awi. Meze neza. Wakapfa urabona njye meze neza. Hey! Ntabwo byoroshye. Police. Police. Bano zari ruhukije bashima Imana ariko mugenzi ndamuvuga ati nandi hagati y'urupfu. Umugabo yasomye impeta ye. Uyari ingwere tujini twiwe. Yumvishe ubuduha bwa polisi amenya ko bageze ku butaka. It's okay. It's okay. I got you. Ryan yari yahamutse. Mana shimwe sheri. Rebera ikibuga. Imana ishimwe. Ndacaga filmaro kagenzi baitaga flight 666 yari da premier mide ya da premier for real arachari Sankara da premier ko biganiro by'ubwenye mwabisa kuri YouTube channel yacu ariyo Sankara da premier mwibagirwa gukora subscribe like share na comment kugira tumenye ibyo zatubagezaho nibyo mwakunenze ayari da premier for real aya
yo gutohoza umuti bari Tazari yakoresheje kugira ngo yubake inyubahiro ye ntawo bazaniye wowe mugabo rero ushaka gushimisha umugore we nakugira inama yo kugura uyu muti haba mu gutinda mu gikorwa uyu muti urabisoza icyo wihariye rero si umuti uzakoresha buri gihe uwo muti ukoresha rimwe ukagukiza ubuzima bwawe bwose